character. Oh yeah, he jumps into the mouth. Wow. That's right, Kobeni. You better fucking... You better do whatever he wants you to do after this, Kobeni.
For real.
Yo! Wow.
Oh, the entrails.
More entrails. I think every devil that he fights, he's always yanking out all of their entrails.
Yeah.
Zombie devil, bat devil. Oh man, he's just going ham.
Ow.
Oh. Oh. Oh god.
Ah, he's getting torn apart.
Bara bara.
Oh, he's back. Oh, he has so much to eat too.
Eternally.
Why seriously tastes bad? Oh god.
Yeah. Denji's a madman. Everyone's staring at him in abject admiration.
And jealousy.
And Arai. And Kobeni. Oh, look at the stitches. I see, so it's either be focused or be chaotic. I like that way of looking at it.
Yeah, but of course the key is to have a team in which you have one of each.
And then he's gonna die. She gets really attached to her own.
Now she's gonna distract him.
Try to keep him away from danger. Oh, she's into him. Him specifically.
Yeah, it sounds like now.
Drink, drink. Look at all that blood.
Oh, interesting.
Never ending.
Perpetual motion. We're breaking physics.
Yo, I love it. The Nobel Prize is for this. Let's go, Denji. Get it, brother. Dude, I am becoming such a fan of Denji.
Oh, she's into him. What?
What was that look?
What was that look? Oh, she's got a couple screws loose.
Yeah, she does. She said no, but that's cap. Oh. Oh.
She ain't tired watching.
Her expression.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh god. Oh wow. Oh. Oh, did he get to it?
Wow.
I love him. Oh, get fucked.
Yay! Wow.
What a champ!
Yeah, dude. He's got us out of here.
Bro!
Let's freaking go, dude.
Fucking went at it for 3 days and he still has a smile on it. He's the GOAT. Yeah, file your reports, bitches.
Yeah.
Fucking
Get your paperwork done.
file that incident report. Expose yourself.
Yeah, outstanding. Yeah, so they would quit, but...
Oh, okay, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, love triangle. A badass.
Yeah, he has.
So then the question is, what is Pochita?
Yeah.
Yeah, who is Pochita really? His little dog or something else?
デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからなのか、マキマさん呼ばせて聞いてみようか。
Nice. Nice fucking transition. What was that?
Power for
Power.
sure. 100%.
Looks good. Well, who are these guys?
Yeah, some of these guys I don't know.
刺身は全部わし。
No way.
Eat up King.
道に迷っちゃって。
Kobenny.
コベちゃん、こっちおいで。
Kobe.
遅れてくるって。
Kobe.
It's Kobe.
美味しいご飯初めて食べました。コベちゃんお金ほとんど家入れてる。
This suits her better.
Yeah.
唐揚げは全部わし。
What
さん
the?
とこの魔人は連れてこなかったんですか早川さんところの魔人ちゃんは理性が高くていいですね
若いんだからもっと頼め食え
Oh, nice of him.
A real senpai.
I can't read.
キスの
Ah.
シラフじゃ恥ずかしいからさ。もっと酔ったらしてあげる。
Himeno is such a pure, innocent girl.
許してね。
There you go.
もう超許すよ超
新人歓迎会なんだから新人は立って自己紹介
俺デンジ年は確か16やばバカ
あんた酒飲んでないよね。
お茶狐の悪魔は人間に友好的だ
Oh, okay.
狐の頭はイケメンしか使えないんだよ。あの悪魔面食いだから。
She's down bad.
たちです。契約してる悪魔は秘密で。趣味は美味しい。
Look at the way she dresses. Look how cute she is. Why is she in this government sector?
Yeah, because she would have been a sex worker, remember?
She should have been one.
Yeah,
She should have been one.
at the base. Right?
Look at her.
方言下京。
Oh, she's wasted.
先輩も酔ってる
私の同期ももう公安にいないし。
Oh, jeez.
デンジ君は私とキスしたいから死なないもんね。
Did you see Himeno's ass pop up into the frame?
I missed it.
You missed it?
I missed it.
How can you miss it?
I was reading the subtitles.
You see it out of the corner of your eye. It's just like, ooh, I'll show you in the replay.
Okay.
She's drinking a lot.
Yeah, that's crazy.
She's already drunk, too. Oh! Surprise. I was reading a theory about how she is the Fox Devil.
Makima. Oh,
Makima's- yeah.
That would be interesting.
Just because of the eye pattern of the Fox Devil and her eye pattern.
Oh, being the same.
They're the same, yeah.
That makes sense.
デンジ君キスしないの？
Perfect.
Denji has to fight him off now.
すいません。
Well played, Denji.
それでキスって。
Wow.
姫野さんと
Why does she just keep on asking about it?
I love Makima's like innocent, questioning look.
Yeah.
She's like, what are you talking about? Hmm?
最近少し悪魔
See, look at her. Look at her plain expression. She's always looking at people. Like there's nothing going on in her head.
私より飲んだら教えてあげる。
Oh my god.
生もう一つ。
She's already so deep in though, Himeno.
Oh my god.
Oh. Not even close.
They're all gonna be sick, bro.
Yeah, dude.
私は IQ が高いからね。
Advanced IQ.
Nobel Prize winner even.
Ooh, do tell.
100？ 100って高いの？
Average government employees.
Then it was 120.
That's the joke.
Oh!
Oh. Look
That
at
was
Makima.
definitely the sloppiest I think I've ever seen.
Oh,
Oh,
damn.
he's looking at her.
This is weird.
Yo.
There's a lot happening right now.
Oh.
Okay.
She's like sucking the life out of
The
him.
fuck?
じゃないヒエロだ
Yo, what the frick?
すいません。何か
Oh, dude.
口に入れた栄養になればもう飲み込む癖がある。
No. Yo. When we watch this mama bear feeding baby bear.
Oh my god. This is whack. Oh.
姫野先輩には自制心が足りないんだ
Wow. What was it with that look that Makima was giving him while he was making out with him?
I do not know what that was.
こっちやよファーストキスはゲロの味だぜ
It was nice at first.
羨ましい
Holy shit, that was wild.
That was hilarious.
That was a fever dream.
皆さんしましょうね
人のお金で飲むお酒が一番美味しいですね。
fucking. I don't want to see her anymore.
デンジ君は？
Cute costume though.
it is
姫野
cute.
先輩が背負って連れて行きましたよ
The puke girl.
That actually has never been even a possibility in my mind
Right?
until this show. So thank you, Chainsaw Man. Oh, hello,
For real.
Himeno. Drinking
No.
more. It's a bad dream. He's having a bad dream.
Yeah. Oh no, I think it's the makeup.
Oh, shit. Look at this animation.
Wow.
私が連れてきたんだっけ。んで
Is alcohol silly?
マキマさんのことラブでしょ。
That's why I'm saying he's playing the game right.
Yeah. He's playing the game right.
Yes. See, look at that.
He's playing hard to get.
Yeah, and then she's like so jealous now.
もう牛。
Oh, yeah, that's right. She's into him.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's gonna get to fondle some titty?
しちゃう。
Whoa. Dude, every time something sexual happens in this show, though, it is insanely crazy and also funny, but it's not going to be what we expected.
So you don't think he's gonna get any?
No. This show is always about banging and switching us, right? First time, right? You can touch my boobs and then they're fake.
Yeah,
the second time,
yeah,
you
yeah.
get a kiss, you get puke.
Fool me once, like,
Yeah.
shame on you.
Yeah.
Fool me twice,
Like-
shame on you.
Then she's like, okay, want to have sex? She's going to be like a dude or something. You know? Like, they're going to... Oh, my God. You just have to, like...
Like something that crazy.
Something crazy. Yeah, it's going to be something funny, though. Hilarious.
What the fuck is this super kawaii shit,
Yeah.
dude?
This is-
Holy shit. This is bad. It's making me feel naughty.
Oh, it's too funny.
What the hell?
Wow.
I think you're onto something. Just like all the Chainsaw Man episodes, it's going to be a direct continuation of where we just left off. Going to be them in bed, and then something whack is going to happen. Or she's going to poop on him.
Oh.
Or like take a piss on him or something, dude.
Woo.
These Chainsaw Man episodes don't let up.
No, they don't.
There's always one or two super crazy developments in the characters in the plot. That's why this is a good anime.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agreed.
Yeah, things move at a very, very fast clip. The fucking Eternity Devil, that's not even like a final boss sequence. It's just boom, in it, dies off screen, dead, not a big deal. Or the first half of the episode is done. We've moved on. But we picked up the important thing, which is not getting gun double flesh, but seeing new developments and dynamics form between the characters.
Yep.
It's good. It is quality writing, you guys. This is
Yeah.
good. This is good shit. Of course, it helps that it's way over the top, but even if they didn't throw that shit in there, it's still...
This would be good, yeah.
It's actually quite shocking how Himeno was looking at him while he was killing the Eternity Devil.
Yeah, and I made sure to take note of that too. Like that's pretty important.
Really important.
Oh, and another detail I didn't notice is she's looking at him like that on day 3. And she's been sitting there watching him for a while. Anything else?
This
Good
is
episode.
going to be fun to edit.
Good episode.
I get to rewatch these scenes over and over again.
Yeah.
It's like weird.
Title episodes just flowing into my head.
What's it called? Oh, Taste of a Kiss flowing into your mouth. Well, I mean, if you listen, don't look, you made it this far. Don't forget to do all that YouTube stuff. Leave a like. If you've ever had a girl throw up in your mouth, leave a comment.
Yeah,
leave
let
a
us know.
story. Yeah. You may want to consider subscribing since you seem to like this content and can catch our new ones when we upload. So, all right.
See you in the next one then.
Sounds good.